Well, let's take a look at how to count how many of each particular item is on a particular sheet. And I think I have 24 items here, but you could have 2,000, and it's still the same principle. Let's see, we're going to have Bush, Reagan, and Obama for accounts. And let me click up here. I'll click in D1, and I'll do an equals, and count if, then do a beginning parentheses, and then range. Range would be A1 colon A24. That's what we said we're down to, is A24 here. Then I do a comma, and I think you have to put quotes around this. Let's see. Yeah. So that's how I type that in. Trying to get it up here again. Oh, there. Okay. So that's our formula, and it has to you have to type it exactly as you see it. Equals count if, and then begin parentheses, and then your range, and then your name. Now, once you get that, you could fill this down so you wouldn't have to type it all in. But let me show it again. I do an equals, count if, beginning parentheses. Now when it asks for the range, I'm going to come over here and click in A1. With my left mouse button, I'm going to hold the left mouse button down. So I'm clicking, holding down my left mouse button, and I'm going to drag my mouse down until it gets down to A24. And then I can do a comma, and I had to use my mouse wheel to scroll up so you can see it. And I'm just curious now. Let me just type Reagan without the quotation and see if it works. Okay, no it doesn't. So I come up here. If you ever want to modify your formula, you just click up here in this bar. Now put quotes around Reagan. There we go. Well, yeah. And I can click check mark to have it taken. That's curious. I really have 8 Reagans. I was trying to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks reasonable. Then down here, let's say I don't remember the formula. You can come up here and click this little FX button, and this says most recently used, so you can refer to. I don't see count if there. That's interesting. But anyway, you can do a drop down here. You can choose all, which is kind of handy if you don't remember the function. You can scroll through these and look for it. You can also choose by category. Financial, logical, all those. Is there a statistics there? Statistical. Oops. So you can choose statistical and see all the different options there. But anyway, choose all and count if. So there's our count if. And then if you click OK on that, it'll take you to where you can actually type in the values. So it's a little more user friendly. And you could actually type in A1 colon A24 here if you want. Or you could click this little button to the side of it, and it takes you over here, and then you can click to A1, hold down your left mouse button, and drag it down to A24. Then you click this button to return, and it fills it in for you. And criteria here, Obama. Don't know if I have to have quotes around it there. Yeah, probably do. Obama. 8. I wonder if I really am. And then click OK. Now I'm going to change one of these. Well, sure enough, I did 8 of each. Who would have known? I was trying to be random and how many I picked in there. But when I changed that one to Obama, it changed this to 9, changed this to 7. So these counts will be dynamic. When you change anything here, it automatically changes it. Some of the graphs you may have to come up with, you have to come up with counts of how many there are of each particular type. And this is specifically for qualitative data. But anyway, that's how you come up with your counts.